For the first time in years, action cameras are facing a problem bigger than image quality. They're becoming too good, too similar, and too predictable. That's why the rumors surrounding the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 feel unusually important. Not because of another spec jump, but because the entire category may be changing direction. The interesting thing about the rumored Ace Pro 3 isn't the 8K recording. We already crossed that milestone. It's not even the rumored 1-inch 50-megapixel Leica-tuned sensor, although that would make it one of the most ambitious sensors ever placed inside a mainstream action camera. What matters is why Insta360 may be pushing in this direction now. The Ace Pro 2 already proved there's demand for cinematic-looking footage from compact cameras. But creator feedback across Reddit and long-term reviews exposed something more important. People love the flexibility, yet many still prefer DJI footage straight out of camera. Others complained that 8K looked impressive technically, but became difficult to manage in real workflows, especially for quick social uploads and mobile editing. That pressure explains almost every rumored upgrade. A larger 1-inch sensor isn't only about detail, it's about consistency. Better low-light recovery, cleaner shadows, less aggressive noise reduction during night rides, travel vlogs, or indoor motion shots where smaller action cameras usually collapse into softness. And if the Leica tuning returns, Insta360 likely understands that creators now care more about natural rendering than over-sharpened action cam footage. The rumored 4K at 120 frames per second 10-bit mode may actually matter more than 8K. Short-form creators increasingly rely on slow-motion edits for TikTok, Reels, and cinematic vertical content. But many action cameras still struggle with color depth once frame rates climb. If Insta360 solves that properly, it changes how these cameras fit into professional editing timelines. Then there's battery life. Rumors suggest nearly 200 minutes of runtime in 4K. That sounds less exciting in headlines, but experienced creators know endurance changes everything. Fewer battery swaps means fewer missed moments. That's especially relevant now because creators are filming longer-form content again. Motorcycle POVs, hiking documentaries, travel sequences, not just 15-second clips. And while GoPro appears focused on cinematic experimentation with its next-generation GP processor direction, DJI continues refining usability and stabilization instead of chasing resolution wars. That leaves Insta360 in an unusual position. The company is expanding beyond action cameras to build an ecosystem for creators. New products like the Luna vlogging camera and Mic Pro system indicate this shift. The Ace Pro 3 could serve as the key connector for these tools, which feels more significant than just resolution improvements. Thanks for watching. The biggest story around the Ace Pro 3 might not be the camera itself. It's what it reveals about where creator hardware is heading next. Smarter workflows, longer endurance, cleaner footage, fewer compromises. What would actually make an action camera feel worth upgrading to you anymore? Let us know in the comments.